From a revenue standpoint, you have to be able to make sure you measure income and measure the costs correctly. The primary objective of accounting is to measure income because it measures the firm's efficiency. You need to pick a software that actually is scalable and able to produce meaningful information. Another consideration you have to keep in mind is the entity type that you're in. How many owners do you have? What is the level of involvement per the owner? So you can make sure that the accounting package that you do choose is going to provide those owners meaningful reports. Do you keep track of inventory? Do you need plugins that coincide with the software that you have or that you're going to get? Are you going to use third-party applications to make sure that it interacts with the accounting software? Is the inventory going to need barcoding, or are you going to be scanning your inventory? Are you going to be using estimates, sales orders, and purchase orders? All that you need to consider before you actually make the decision on what software you need. This person that's going to be using the software needs to be experienced or have some knowledge of the software. If not, it's not going to work. It's like having a license to drive. Are you licensed to drive a motorcycle? Are you licensed to drive an 18-wheeler or just a regular car? It goes along the same lines. Will you, or are you already using a third-party software that integrates with your accounting package? If it doesn't, you're probably wasting a lot of time with double entries or duplicating efforts. Even if you use Excel or if you use a different type of software, does it integrate with QuickBooks? Can it, or any other softwares besides the accounting package? You need to make sure that it integrates with the accounting software so that you can make sure you minimize manual entries and duplicates efforts in day-to-day operations. Specifically for QuickBooks, I would highly recommend getting the accountant version. It is a little bit more costly, but it has a lot of different features that the regular versions do not have. You can toggle between different industries within the accountant edition. So if you have various companies that you're involved in, you can keep track of different companies with the same software to save you costs. Some of the features within the accountant edition, you're able to batch enter transactions, you're able to reclassify transactions. So for a more experienced internal user, this would be a perfect fit for them.